Hey everyone, it's Will from Canada Welding Supply. By popular demand, we're here at Fronius to do some aluminum MIG welding with TransSteel 2200. Of course, with aluminum MIG welding, you're going to have to install the correct drive rolls as well as the liner. This is the Fronius Combi liner. We've also used our Nexalloy 4043 in the 3/64 diameter. With Fronius machines, it is a three-step process to set them up. You select your wire type, wire diameter, and your gas type, and you're good to go. And now let's stack some dimes. As you can see, there is a TIG-like weld, TIG-like precision on these machines. Super easy to do with very little experience. As you can see, guys, it's that easy to get excellent results with this machine. 3 steps and that's it. And for our next demo here, we're going to test out the Fronius AccuPocket. Right now we're going to plug it into a 120 volt outlet and see what we can do. Let's test it out.